Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and mind-blowing innovations Apple has ever worked on, the first transparent MacBook. Yes, you heard that right. A MacBook that looks almost invisible, built with cutting-edge materials, next-gen display technology, and a design philosophy that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. In this video, we'll explore Apple's journey, their progress in transparent tech, the challenges, the leaked concept details, and what this device means for the future of laptops. So before you think about buying your next MacBook, watch this video completely. Apple has always been known for pushing boundaries, from the first iPhone revolution in 2007 to Apple Silicon changing the entire laptop industry in 2020. But the idea of a transparent MacBook didn't just come out of nowhere. Apple has been quietly developing transparent circuit architecture, miniaturized chip components, layered glass structural materials, ultra-thin OLED and micro-LED technology. Rumors from internal Apple development suggest that the company has been testing transparent prototypes since 2022. But only recently reached a point where the idea became viable. This is part of Apple's long-term vision. Devices that blend into your environment, a future where hardware disappears, and only the experience remains. The biggest innovation in this MacBook is the transparent display panel. Apple is expected to use a hybrid technology combining transparent micro-LED matrix, crystal-layered optical glass, adaptive brightness processing. This allows the screen to switch between fully transparent mode, semi-opaque mode for privacy, color-boosted mode for high-contrast visuals. Imagine editing a video, reading documents, or even browsing the web on a screen that looks like floating graphics suspended in air. This technology alone places Apple ahead of brands experimenting with see-through screens, because Apple emphasizes not just transparency, but usability. Apple reportedly built the transparent chassis using reinforced sapphire crystal, ultra-thin carbon nanotube framing, shock-resistant transparent polymers. This gives the MacBook a glass-like appearance but with durability levels close to the iPhone's ceramic shield. The entire body is see-through, from the keyboard deck to the display hinge. The keyboard is another major leap. Instead of traditional keys, Apple might use laser-illuminated touch keys, dynamic key labels that appear only when needed, haptic feedback to simulate physical typing. This creates a futuristic typing experience, where keys appear like holograms inside a transparent body. It also enables dynamic modes, creator mode video editing shortcuts, developer mode coding keys, gaming mode custom WASD layout. Apple's transparent MacBook is expected to run on a custom next-gen Apple Silicon chip, possibly M6 or M7, engineered specifically for cooling and power efficiency in a transparent body. Since transparent laptops cannot hide fans or vents easily, Apple is moving toward fanless vapor cooling systems, heat-dissolving graphene layers, micro battery cells distributed inside the glass layer. This solves the biggest engineering problem. Where do you hide the hardware? Apple's approach is to make the hardware part of the design visible, elegant, and blended with the glass layers. Here are some of the rumored inventions Apple might debut with this device. 1. Invisible trackpad surface, a touch-sensitive glass layer that detects finger position without markings. 2. AI-powered adaptive transparency. The laptop automatically adjusts transparency depending on your environment. 3. Augmented reality projection mode. The transparent display can project AR graphics that blend with real-world objects. 4. Self-cleaning nano glass, a chemical coating that removes smudges using electrostatic pulses. 5. Privacy blur technology. Screen darkens for anyone not directly in front of it, powered by facial detection sensors. This is Apple inventing the future, not just improving the present. Apple's transparent MacBook won't be for everyone. It's mainly targeted toward creators, designers, developers, tech enthusiasts, early adopters, high-end professionals. This will likely be a premium, nearly limited edition device similar to the first Apple Vision Pro, based on Apple's pricing pattern for experimental tech. The expected price may be between $3,000 to $4,500 depending on configuration. Release is expected in late 2026 or early 2027. If development continues smoothly, Apple might showcase a prototype earlier at an Apple event. Just like the Vision Pro reveal, the Transparent MacBook is more than just a laptop. It represents Apple's next chapter in futuristic hardware, a world where your devices blend into the environment, where technology becomes invisible, and where creativity flows through a screen that looks like pure magic. If Apple pulls this off, it will redefine what laptops can look like for the next decade. If you're excited to see Apple's Transparent MacBook in action, drop a comment, like the video, and make sure to subscribe for more future tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.